Make plans to head outside and enjoy the sights and sounds this season in your Geauga Park District.
You are pleading guilty to 2 third-degree felonies, the first of which is the tampering with evidence, the second of which is the amended count of obstructing justice. These third-degree felonies are the type that could involve the imposition of a prison sentence, which were one to be imposed upon either or both would range, just as to one, anywhere from a minimum of 9 months to a maximum of 36 months in prison, or anywhere within that range. You understand that? You could also be fined up to $10,000. You could be ordered to make restitution to any victim. You should expect to be ordered to pay costs of prosecution, that is court costs, so-called. You understand? I gave you the outline of potential prison terms, etc., for one third-degree felony. You're charged, you plead guilty to 2 third-degree felonies. You understand that? And you could have your sentences so-called stacked or run consecutive or aggregated, so that if the worst case scenario, you were to receive a $10,000 fine on both counts, it could be $20,000. You have the two together. And same principle with respect to the terms of imprisonment. If you were to receive a term of imprisonment on each one, you could have them run back-to-back consecutive. You understand that? All right, now, you understand too that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your constitutional rights, including the right to a jury trial or to a trial to the court if you didn't want a jury trial. You recognize that. Once again, you're satisfied the client's knowingly voluntarily entering the plea guilty.
I am.
You then do want to plead guilty to the count 5, the tampering with evidence, and the amended count 6, obstruction of justice, both third-degree felonies, Ms. Battaglia. And you admit that you committed the acts that constitute those offenses. And I will accept the plea of guilty, make a finding of guilt based upon the plea, and convict, subject to a sentencing procedure, Gina Battaglia of the 2 counts pled to. At this time, not impose sentence, but instead order the preparation of a pre-sentence investigation to be performed by the court's probation department to enable it to impose an appropriate sentence at the time of sentencing.